Why are we so afraid to accept the fact that as humans, we are dramatically altering the state of our planet? Sea level rise will change the outline of North Carolina dramatically on our East Coast. And some very difficult decisions will have to be made because there are millions of people living along the coast in small towns, and they may be the second or third or fourth generation of people who have lived there. And the map is going to get redrawn. The question now is, how are we going to deal with that? Which communities are going to see actual armoring, and which communities are we going to have to ask to essentially retreat from the ocean, which is, I think, personally our best option. I'm looking forward to spending time one-on-one with students, talking about these issues. What do we know about climate change? Why is it real? Why are we causing this? And we're going to do this by actually, rather than sitting in a classroom, we're going to take field trips down to the coast, and we're going to actually see places where right now, as we speak, climate change is already affecting the beaches of North Carolina. We're also going to go westwards, and we're going to talk a little bit about climate change in the past. And why is it that knowing something about that actually informs us about what climate change is doing today and how it is different and potentially much more potentially dangerous than it ever has been in the past. Despite the lack of political will in North Carolina, in my class, I'm going to introduce you to people who do care and who are going to make a difference and are already making differences in their communities when it comes to preparing for climate change, and also how we are going to adapt as a state and as a people and as a community. It will probably be the most intellectually stimulating spring break experience you've ever had about the most depressing topic of our times. My name is Alex Glass, and this is my spring breakthrough. Are there any other spring breakthroughs where students get to go to the beach